University professors should never put their hands on students by the National Lawyers Guild. Can you believe they have to say these things? The National Lawyers Guild, NLG, condemns the incident on April 10, 2024 at University of California, Berkeley Law School, Dean Erwin Chemerinsky and Professor Catherine Fisk's home. Dean Chemerinsky and Professor Fisk invited law students for a dinner where a guest courageously spoke out against the genocide in Palestine and the dean's complicity. We saw videos where Professor Fisk used physical force against the law student by grabbing the student's neck and clothing, including her headscarf. Physical force in response to the exercise of the right to dissent through speech is never acceptable and is especially outrageous when condoned by a renowned legal scholar and educator. As the law student asserted her right to free speech, she also stated that the NLG had informed her that this was her First Amendment right. The NLG expresses full support to this courageous law student who asserted her right to free speech by choosing to speak truth to power at a school-sanctioned event. The NLG stands firmly against the genocide in Palestine and in support of students' right to protest. A person's First Amendment rights may extend beyond traditional public forums into spaces that are limited or non-public forums. The suppression of speech by government actors in those spaces may violate the rights of the speaker. The greatest victims of free speech suppression today on U.S. campuses and in workplaces throughout the country are those who refuse to be complicit in genocide and who stand in solidarity with the people of Gaza and Palestine, not those who support their oppressors. The NLG are the green hats that you see, those bright lime green hats that you will see at protests, because you are going to actions, marches, protests, right? So you're seeing them there. Anyways, when you organize your next protest, contact the NLG and let them know, invite them to come and get confirmation from them. I hit them up when I organized an event here where I live in Tulsa. I, at the time, knew barely anybody. I mean, practically nobody. I hit them up. They came. So did, dozens of other people. So if I can do it, you can too. Get her done. And if you're in the legal community, please consider getting involved with the NLG and follow them, everybody, on Twitter at NLG News. Human rights over property interests since 1937. Fighting for liberation. Organizing in solidarity with radical movement leaders.
Fast, not only from its legal sustenance,
not only from its legal sustenance. Fast, we have attorneys. We have attorneys.
Okay, you don't have to get aggressive.
Excuse me.